What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and today I am doing the video that I promised you guys on how to buy ICP Coin not on Coinbase, or actually without KYC and without an ID. So for the most part, you're going to want to use Coinbase. If you have an ID, you can sign up there. If you don't mind using KYC, I always recommend Coinbase. But I'm a realist, and I understand that there's situations in the world where people don't have their identification, or it's expired, or they don't have enough money to get a new one, or they're just poor and they can't afford it. So I'm going to show you a way to still make money. Even though you don't have all of those resources, you can still get involved in crypto and make money. So now what you're going to do, if you already have Bitcoin, USDT, or Dash, I would recommend Dash because it's always the cheapest. Send it over here to KuCoin. Now, if you're going to buy out of a bank account or whatever, then you'll have to set up your bank account over here. So there's two different ways that you can get money over here to buy your ICP, and we'll go through that. So let's just skip here. We're already in my KuCoin account now, and I already have some USDT over here. So if we go look at my assets right here, none in my main account. So this is another thing that I want to tell you guys. When you send your ICP over here, you're going to send it to your main account, not your trading account. So what you do is you send it to your main account, you go down, you look up ICP, and then it will show you right here, boom. See, I have 0. I have 1 ICP in there, but this is my main account. So you'd press on this, and then you would go down and you would go to deposit. And then you would copy your deposit address right there. Now you can, that's if you're depositing ICP. Now, if you're going to deposit Bitcoin in order to trade for ICP, well, you would put BTC right here. Okay, and then Bitcoin, and then you go down deposit and you copy your Bitcoin address, send Bitcoin here, and then what you will do is you could trade Bitcoin for your ICP. So once you get Bitcoin, you go over here and you go to transfer up here. And then you pick whatever, say you're picking your Bitcoin, and then you want to transfer it into your Bitcoin trading account. So now you can trade your Bitcoin for whatever. So just let's say I did that. Or let's say I had USDT. So let's look up USDT. It's going to be more expensive to send this one, so I don't recommend using Tether as a median because it costs a minimum of $5 to send it. So I don't recommend sending USDT, but if you were going to, or if you already have some laying around, it's all you have, go to deposit here and of course deposit there. Then you'd go to transfer, then you would transfer your USDT from your main account to your trading account. Now, all of it, I don't have any because it's already in my trading account. So boom, then you do confirm. And then boom, it's ready to trade. Then you go in here. Now this is where I'm at, the place where I am at now. So I'm in my trading account. So what I want to do is trade now. So let's go to my trading account. Let's go to this guy and then let's trade it. So I want to go like this. Actually, we don't do that. We go to, trade down here. And then we're going to want to go to ICP USDT right here. And we're going to want to buy ICP now with USDT. And if you don't have it right away, just go up here, search ICP. And then it'll show you ICP. If you have Bitcoin, you can trade it straight Bitcoin across. Or if you have USDT, you can trade it for the USDT now. So that is awesome on how to do that. The internet computer is going up so much. It's at $34 now. Yes. Oh, I love me some ICP. Oh, man. This is pretty cool. I love me ICP. So then you're going to pick that ICP. I'm going to do USDT, right? Because that's what I have. And then I'm going to go to buy because I want to buy ICP. So we're going to say, well, USDT is what, $1, right? $1, 99 cents, and then 100, boom. So $33, that's what I owe, 33 and I have 33.08. So, and it costs a fee of USDT. So, buy ICP USDT. I get 100%. Hold on. Is it supposed to be sell? No. Okay, it is buy. Sorry, I just wanted to make sure that I had everything correct. Available USDT. Okay, yes. So limit order. I don't think that's right. Yeah, it is $1. Okay, $1. Limit order, 100% there. Okay, and then buy ICP. It doesn't tell me exactly how much I'm going to get, which it should. Let's see, buy ICP. And then I'll put in my code here. I'm going to have to pause you guys for that one. Be right. And we're back. I just had to pause that so I could put that through. So now I'm just waiting for order price of 1. So amount ICP 33. I don't know if I did that correctly. Now, if you don't want to do it, limit order, let's just cancel this because I don't know if I did that correctly. Am I supposed to put limit USDT? Yeah. So, and then amount of ICP. I only want, well, oh, it's got to be 34. Yeah, you got to put 34. Let's say 34.30. Let's just make sure that it goes through. 34.30. And then 100%. Boom. That's how you do it. You got to put the price that the ICP is, and then that's how much ICP you'll get. It's not quite 1 now. I had 1 full, but ICP went up since I bought it. Or, you know, did all this. So it's a little bit less than I had calculated. But that's what you do. I'm going to set it for a price where I know it's not going to go through. I'm going to do like 38.90 or actually 38.10. So if it does go down, that's what I'm buying for. I'll get a little bit more ICP, and then it might not go through. But I don't necessarily want this to go through right this second. I want the price to go down a little bit. But boom, as you see, now I'm going to get 0.9693 ICP on here, and that was just with USDT. Okay, now let's cancel this. I just am, you know, showing you what to do. I'm not necessarily buying it right now because it actually is going up, and I want to wait for a dip before I buy more in. So, but another way is you fund your account, and you might have to do KYC for this. So assets, how would you even do this here? You would want to deposit and say Bitcoin. I don't know how you're supposed to buy this with cash. Hold on, let's look. Markets, home. There's got to be a way. I don't know if you can buy with your actual. Let's try USD. See USD? Yeah, there isn't any USD. So deposit, they should have like a way for you to deposit cash like USD. Let's look at that. USD. Nope, they don't have it. So I'm not 100% sure on this. I thought that you could possibly, because every exchange I've ran into, you can hook a bank account up to it. So I don't know about KuCoin. This is kind of something I've never dealt with before. Trade. Yeah, it's not on this one. I don't think you can, guys. If you can, it's in a way that I don't know how to do it. So, yeah, I'm not 100% sure on that. So, withdrawal? I mean, you can withdraw crypto. So basically, you're going to have crypto to send over here. So without KYC, it looks like your options are very limited. But if you already have Bitcoin, you could trade it for USDT and then ICP, or just Bitcoin to ICP or USDT to ICP. What I would recommend in crypto is to send Dash over here, because Dash has the cheapest fee besides ICP. If you already had ICP, you wouldn't need to send it over here to buy, right? So I would recommend using like Dash, because Bitcoin fees are bigger, and then trade your Dash for USDT and then USDT for ICP. And that'll be the best way that you can do that. So this is a step-by-step tutorial of how to buy ICP, not on Coinbase, on KuCoin with USDT, Bitcoin, or even Dash or any other crypto. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.